For supervisors who are, I guess, on the floor every day, being able to really see where your team is in a building this size is really good. Before, you're really relying on them radioing you back where they're up to on their schedule or physically walking to go and see them. You know, when you've got 12, 13 levels of a hospital, that can take half your shift just checking up on them. Now they can look at a dashboard, see where somebody's up to, and then go and help them if needed, or move to the next person if they don't need support.
So reporting has helped in quite a few ways. One is definitely quality management. So we can ensure, especially with the reporting side, across a month, across a year, 10 years, that we've met a certain standard, and it helps us also check back if things are missed, and we can just see that pattern and where we're going. We can see if a complaint comes through, we can check back and see if an area is being missed or if someone needs retraining. The other side, it helps us with workload management. We've seen an uptake in activities. Do we need to change our schedules? Do we need to do anything else to help out the team?
Previously, when we'd have handover, we wouldn't know really what was handed over until we'd gone through those sheets physically. Now we can see, you know, an hour or two before the end of the shift, are we going to make it or not? So that's been really useful.
The progress report has been really great for us. It's a quick reference for us to check back throughout the day and see where our cleaners are at, where we're at with having the whole hospital clean, and if there's anyone that needs support.
The technology really helps our site managers to be able to monitor their cleaning at a glance. And the system really allows them, when they first walk in the morning, there's an email sitting there right in front of them that tells them how many of their rooms the day before were completely cleaned, how many were missed, how many may have been skipped. If there is a problem, they know to go and address that with the cleaners.
The iPads have got a very big transparency to them, that they're actually showing that there are other side jobs that need to be done during the day, and the iPad can actually record those. So then the manager has a full understanding of what a cleaner's day entails.